There are several methods to disconnect your Aura frame from Wi-Fi. We'll walk through the most effective approaches step by step. The most straightforward method is through the official Aura app on your mobile device. First, open the Aura app on your mobile device. You'll see a list of your connected frames. Select the specific frame you want to disconnect from Wi-Fi. Next, look for the settings icon, which appears as a gear symbol, typically in the top right corner of the frame's interface. Tap on this gear icon to access the frame settings. In the Settings menu, locate and tap on the current Wi-Fi network name. This will open up the network connection options for your frame. Select the option to change Wi-Fi network. The app will prompt you to disconnect from the current network. Confirm this action to disconnect your frame from Wi-Fi. There are also alternative methods if you want to completely disconnect your frame from internet access. You can also set up the frame as a new device. In the app, tap the Aura logo, select New Frame, and follow the setup process to connect to a different network or leave it disconnected. For complete disconnection, you can either connect to your Wi-Fi with an incorrect password, preventing internet access, or simply turn off your Wi-Fi network entirely. This will leave your frame offline. These methods give you flexibility in how you disconnect your Aura frame from Wi-Fi, whether temporarily or permanently. Before disconnecting your Aura frame, understand that once disconnected from Wi-Fi, your frame will no longer receive new photos or updates from the cloud. Remember that you cannot change your frame's Wi-Fi network remotely. You must be physically present with the frame to make any network changes. If you're having trouble with Wi-Fi connections, double-check your password entry. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so ensure you're entering uppercase and lowercase letters correctly. For connection issues, try moving your frame closer to the Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. You can also reboot both the frame and your router to reset the network connection. Aura frames typically connect to 2.4 GHz networks. Make sure your device is connected to the same network band. Only newer Walden and Aspen frames support both 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. If troubleshooting steps don't resolve your issues, contact Aura's customer support for assistance. Make sure your Aura app is updated to the latest version before reaching out.